So why was it time to remodel our kitchen? It was 30 years old. The cabinets were in very poor condition, didn't open correctly, didn't close correctly. We had countertops that were damaged. We had a desk that was taking up space and not being used. Those were just a few of the things, and we wanted an upgrade. We didn't necessarily want to change the kitchen, but we wanted to upgrade what we had. I would say this company is helpful, honorable, they're hardworking. This is the only company I would choose. I would say pick them. If you are in any question at all and you have a list of other contractors you want to use, I would say pick JSB. The experience was wonderful from the time we entered the front door. We entered without an appointment. We just thought, let's stop by and see. I wasn't 100% sure that we would remodel at this point, but once I talked to Mike, it was like, oh yeah, we're gonna do this. They were polite, they were clean, they were nice, they were personable. Their craftsmanship was excellent, and they helped guide us into making decisions. I actually want to cook. I never liked my kitchen. I didn't want to be in it. We ate out all the time. This is a pleasure to cook in. I would say choose JSB. They were fun to work with the entire time. A lot of times these processes are tedious, and we've had other things remodeled and we haven't been that happy. We've been extremely happy with JSB. They just made it pleasurable. It was very nice to work with them.